Today we're unboxing the Sony LX5 BT, a fully automatic Bluetooth enabled belt drive turntable. Let's get it out of the box. Packaging seems clean and well organized, with everything securely separated. And this is the dust cover, clear, solid and minimal in design. In the accessories box we get essential components for setup, the RCA cable and the power supply. This is a 10-watt USB-C adapter. Here is the main chassis, solid construction. Once the aluminum platter is seated, the rubber mat goes on top to stabilize the record and reduce resonance. Connecting the USB-C power cable and attaching the dust cover. Very quick and straightforward actually. Let's put on a record. Just press start and the fully automatic mechanism takes over. The tone arm lifts, moves into position and gently lowers onto the record. Putting my headphones into Bluetooth pairing mode, activating the Bluetooth pairing on the LX5. Nice. Pressing stop and the tone arm lifts and returns automatically. Close the lid and everything is dust free. On the back you'll find the RCA outputs and the line phono selector switch along with the USB-C power input. Now looking at the tone arm and the cartridge, moving magnet cartridge, size, speed selectors and the operation buttons. And on the left is the Bluetooth pairing button. Once playing, the belt drive system delivers stable rotation with low vibration and clean tracking. Overall, the turntable combines automatic operation, wired flexibility and wireless convenience in one streamlined package, ideal for anyone who wants modern features without losing the simplicity of a vinyl.